Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. SEO warriors, listen up. Today we're putting two powerful SEO tools head to head, Rank Math and RankTracker. Want to see which one will help you dominate Google rankings? Let's break it down. When it comes to what they're best for, Rank Math is best for WordPress users. That's just a plugin. When it comes to RankTracker, all websites is best for all websites and it's a standalone. When it comes to keyword tracking, Rank Math has basic built-in keyword tracking, while RankTracker has advanced multi-engine. When it comes to backlink analysis, Rank Math is limited, while RankTracker has detailed backlink checker. When it comes to on-page SEO, Rank Math is the best in class, while RankTracker, this is not its focus. When it comes to ease of use, Rank Math is super beginner friendly, while RankTracker has a steeper learning curve. When it comes to pricing, Rank Math has free plan plus premium plan of $59 per year, while RankTracker starts at $49 per month. When it comes to AI features, Rank Math has smart suggestions, while RankTracker has competitor gap analysis. So Rank Math is the king of WordPress SEO with insane on-page optimization, but RankTracker is a keyword tracking beast with deep competitor insights. So what's my verdict? Well, if you're on WordPress, Rank Math all the way, but if you need hardcore keyword tracking, then RankTracker wins. So which tool do you prefer? Drop a comment and smash like and subscribe for more.